Selling digital and print-on-demand planners is one of the best side hustles out there right now. The demand for planners, journals, productivity tools is always growing, and since these products are super low cost to create and high margin to sell, they're such a great way to make money online. So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through exactly how to launch your planner and journal business using AI. We're going to cover how to create high-quality planners and journals, set up your store, how to set up your online store with AI, and market your products and start making sales without spending money on ads. Let's get into it. So step 1, you need to choose your niche and planner type. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to attract the right customers. Here are a few profitable planner and journal ideas. First off, daily and weekly planners for productivity. There's also budget planners for personal finance tracking, or fitness journals for working and meal planning, as well as even self-care and mental health journals or goal setting and manifestation planners. Choosing a niche makes marketing so much easier because you're targeting a specific group of people with a product made just for them. Instead of selling a generic planner, think about what problem your planner solves and who it's for. Next, in step number 2 is to actually create the planner or journal. Now that you have your niche, it's time to create your planners and journals. And this is where AI is so helpful and makes it so easy. So instead of designing every page from scratch, you can use AI-powered design tools to generate professional quality templates in minutes. Some of the best tools for planner and journal creations include Canva, which is my favorite tool. There's also Creative Fabrica Spark for AI-generated templates. There's also Kittl AI for generating aesthetic journal layouts. You can use these tools to create both digital planners, PDFs, and print-on-demand journals. If you're selling digital planners, customers will download them and use them on apps like GoodNotes or Notability. If you want to sell physical journals, you can use print-on-demand servers that automatically print and ship them when someone places an order. Now, let's go ahead and go make one on Canva. If you want to get started with Canva, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description. They do have a free plan that you can get started absolutely for free. I'm going to be showing you what Canva Pro looks like. Let's go ahead and click Create Design. Let's just say we want to do a planner. So here you can see they already have a bunch of templates to choose from. So what we can do is select one of the templates. They have a bunch. So if we wanted to go with a budget planner, we could do that. Or if we want a daily personal planner. And what we can do, so if you have Canva Pro, you can go ahead and create specific color palettes to change this up, and you can just shuffle it around, or you can individually change the colors. So, and even to make it more niche, we can do daily personal planner for high achievers. Make it even more specific. Super simple, but again, the more niche, the better, because you're solving a specific person's problem. Today's schedule, we've got priority of the day. If we wanted to move any of this, we can adjust anything. We can adjust the fonts. So maybe we want to be a little bit darker. Maybe we want all of these fonts. We want to change them to this. Okay. So again, we can move this around, adjust this in whatever capacity that we want. And then what you'll want to do to export is make sure you share. And then when you click download, you want to make sure, I recommend using a PNG because it is higher quality. And then you can go ahead and click download. Super simple, super easy. If you wanted to use any AI, what you can do is go to apps and then you can click AI powered, and they have a bunch here. So there's text to speech, there's image streamer, there's colorize, there is a bunch of different options. So, but again, even Canva itself just makes it super easy to go ahead and create a planner or journal. Now, the next steps are setting up your store so you can actually sell them. Step 3, set up your store, and we're going to use Storebuild.ai and Shopify. The beauty of using AI is you don't need to hire a web designer or spend weeks figuring out Shopify. Storebuild.ai makes the process simple and automated. Storebuild.ai is an AI-powered platform that instantly builds your Shopify store for you. Instead of manually creating product pages, designing your homepage, and setting up payments, Storebuild.ai does it all in minutes. Now, here is a little bit about what makes Storebuild.ai such a powerful tool for launching your store. All you have to do is upload your planner files and add in short descriptions. So first off, AI-generated store design with a professional layout. These pre-built product pages, all you have to do is upload what you're selling and add in some short descriptions. Also, the Shopify integration makes it super easy and super helpful, which I'm going to show you how to do. Also, the automated setup for print on demand if you're selling physical journals or planners. And since Storebuild AI runs on Shopify, you get access to secure payment processing, a customizable storefront, and built-in marketing tools all in one place. Now, let's go ahead and get into launching our store. So what you're going to want to do is use our link down in the description, and you'll get brought to this page right here. We'll want to go ahead and click Build My Free Store. So what we're going to want to do first is enter in our name and email and a phone number. We'll create our free account. Once we are in, what we're going to want to do is pick a niche. Now we will pick a color, then we'll pick a banner. Now we're going to want to go ahead and create a Shopify. All we have to do is click that button, enter in our email address, and click Start Free Trial. Now we will enter in a password. Now you can answer some of these questions. We're going to go ahead and skip these for now. Now, as you can see, it is free right now, but you can get started for the first 3 months for $1. So the free trial is 3 days and then it's $1 per month for 3 months. Here are a couple of plans that you can choose from. So I would highly recommend making sure that you are selecting a plan and not skipping just because of the way we are integrating with Storebuild AI. So for the basic plan, again, this is just $1. The card rates are from 2.9% plus 30 cents, and you get custom reports and analytics and POS Lite. Next is the Shopify for small teams. Again, this is $1 for the first 3 months, and the card rates go down a little bit to 2.7%. You also get the custom reports and analytics, POS Lite, and you get 5 additional staff accounts. Next is the advanced account. And again, this is just $1 for the first 3 months. And the card rates, again, drop to 2.5%. You get everything that's in the Shopify, but you also get 15 additional staff accounts and more options for global selling. Let's just go ahead and try the basic. You want to type in your card information. Cool. Now what we're going to want to do is go ahead and copy this over and go back to Storebuild. We'll go ahead and paste that admin link. We'll go ahead and click Next Winning Products. So now what we will do is go ahead and install the ZenDrop app. And this is so the AI tool can load your store and link products directly onto your Shopify account. So we'll go ahead and click Activate, click Install. Go ahead and click Continue Onboarding. And then all you have to do is go ahead and click Go Live and you have a ready to go website. Step 4 is to set up payments and fulfillment. So once your store is set up, you need a way to accept payments and deliver products to your customers. If you're selling digital planners, Shopify makes it super easy with apps like Shopify Digital Downloads, which automatically delivers the files to customers after purchase. If you're selling physical journals, you can use print on demand services like Printify, which prints and ships journals automatically, or Gelato, which offers global shipping with high quality printing. Print on demand means you don't need to buy inventory up front. When someone orders, the supplier prints and ships the journals for you. This allows you to sell physical products without holding stock or handling shipping. With Shopify, you can set up multiple payment options, including credit cards, PayPal, and Apple Pay, so your customers have an easy checkout experience. Step number 5 is to start marketing and getting sales. So now that your store is live, it's time to get people to your website and start making sales. You don't need a huge budget for ads. Organic marketing is one of the best way to drive traffic for free. Here are some of the best ways to promote your planners and journals. First off, TikTok and Instagram Reels. Show the inside pages, show how to use the planner and behind the scenes of your business. There's also Pinterest marketing, which you can create pins linked to your store. Planners and journals perform really well there. There's also Facebook and Etsy groups, so you can share your products in your niche. You can share your products in niche communities where people are already looking for planners. You can also start building an email list, either using Shopify's built-in email marketing tools. You can offer maybe a free mini planner in exchange for their email, and then send promotions and updates about new designs. Marketing doesn't have to be complicated. Just show your product in action, provide that value, and consistently share content where your ideal customers hang out. I know that starting a planner and journal business is such a great way to turn your creativity into income. So whether you're doing this as a fun side hustle or hoping to grow into something bigger, the best part is you don't need a huge budget or a ton of experience to get started. With AI tools, you can design professional planners in minutes, and with Storebuild AI and Shopify, you can have your store up and running without the usual stress of setting everything up from scratch. No need to figure out coding, design, or fulfillment. Everything is is already in place for you. If you're ready to take that next step, make sure you check out Storebuild.ai and Shopify. Those links are in the description so you can get started for free today. And before you go, I'd love to hear from you. What kind of planners or journals are you thinking about selling? That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And again, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.